Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And I'm doing something a little different today by doing this midday video after the close of the markets. And the reason was, as I was preparing, President Donald Trump announced that he would announce his decision on the Iran nuclear deal tomorrow at 2 p.m. And the Dow had been up as much as 200 points before that announcement, only to reverse course and head lower. So with that news affecting the markets, I decided to hold off and see where we landed. But as you can see, we're in our portfolio here. We'll take a look at the S&P 500. Currently still has a chart analysis score of -65 with a red monthly, a red weekly trade triangle, and a green daily trade triangle, indicating that overall the long-term trend is still down for the S&P 500. However, we have had 3 days of gains back to back, and today we finished up about 0.3% or 9 points on the day to close at 2,672.63. Our key level remains 2,717.49. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the S&P 500. Dow Jones currently closing at 24,357.32, had been up as high as 24,479, as you can see at the top of the wick on the candlestick chart here. However, our chart analysis score is still -65 with a red monthly and a red weekly trade triangle, indicating that overall the trend is still down for the Dow. Key level to watch remains 24,858.97. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the Dow. Nasdaq currently up at about 0.8% on the day, is the biggest gain of the three, with a chart analysis score of +90 with green trade triangles across the board. Closed at 7,263.06. Pushed mostly by the likes of Netflix, Facebook, Amazon, the FANG stocks doing what they do. Key level to watch, still 6,926.97. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the Nasdaq. Moving along to the dollar index, continuing its climb higher, trading at 92.62, up 0.3% on the day with a chart analysis score of +100. Key level to watch remains 88.94. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the US dollar. Moving along to crude oil, who was the star of the day in early trading, had traded up as high as 70.76, its highest level since 2014, with a chart analysis score of +90 with green trade triangles across the board. Key level will be 68.12. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for crude oil. And that, of course, lifted the entire energy sector. And maybe you can feel, as I know, I can see gas prices at the pump here. I just know crude oil's up based solely on the higher gas prices that we're paying right now, which is kind of a bummer as we head into the summer driving season. We'll move along to gold. Currently trading down about 0.3% on the day. We did get that green daily trade triangle at 1,319 that I alluded to you last week, that a move below that level would issue this exit from a short position for gold. Currently, chart analysis score is still -85, indicating that overall the trend is still down, just weakening a touch. Key level to watch would be 1,308.50. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short position for gold. We'll back out here and we'll take a look at Bitcoin. Up about 1% on the day, but it did have a significant drop yesterday of 5%, a little over 5%, 5.5%, pushing the chart analysis score down to +85 on the issuance of a red daily trade triangle at 9,380.66. And in fact, we'll put the moving averages on here. This 200-day moving average is proving to be a tough nut to crack for Bitcoin to get above that level and break out to the upside. Really interesting that is a key level of resistance that Bitcoin is running into. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. Key level to watch should be 7,823.06. Move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for Bitcoin. With that, every success. Have a great evening. I'll be back Wednesday with a midweek market update.